Hey guys, my name is Jocelyn Dharma and I'm a student from PSKG Penabur Kelapa Gading. So today I am going to be doing my math project. So I hope you enjoy and you can learn something from this video. Okay guys, so now we're going to be doing the word problem question. The question says a rectangular block of wood has dimensions of 13 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 6 centimeters. It is cut up into small bricks. Each small brick is a cube of sides 2 centimeters. The things we need to find is the largest number of brick that can be found from the block and volume of wood that is left. So here I've drawn the diagram of the big blocks and the small blocks. So how we find A is to find the volume of the big blocks, which is length times breadth times height, which is going to be 6 times 9 times 13, which will give us the answer of 702 centimeter cubic. And we also need to find the volume of small blocks, which, because this is cube, we just have to actually write side times side times side, which will give us 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 8 centimeters. Now, we need to divide those two numbers so we can get the answer for question A. So we're going to put 702 divided by 8, which gives us the answer of decimal, 87.75 centimeter cubic. But because we need to put in whole number, we're going to estimate it to 87 small bricks. So that's the answer for question A. Now for question B, we need to multiply the number of small bricks with the volume of the small blocks, which will give us the answer, which will give us 87 times 8, which equals to 696 centimeter cubic. The volume of the big blocks is 702. So in order to find the wood left, we need to subtract 702 with 696, which gives us 6 centimeter cubic. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the case study. So it says here there's 12 chocolate bars. Each chocolate bar have a volume of 30 centimeter cubic. Now we need to make two composite figure container. It says only these following shapes can be used to make the composite figure, which is cube, cuboid, prism, and cylinder. So we know that we need 12 chocolate bar, that we have 12 chocolate bar, and each of them is 30 centimeter cubic. So we need to find the total volume of 12 chocolate, which is 12 choco bar multiplied by 30 centimeter cubic, which give us the answer 360 centimeter cubic. Now for the composite figure, I am going to be using cube and cuboid for the first one. For the cube volume, I'll be putting the 216 centimeter cubic, and for the cuboid, I'm going to be putting 144 centimeter cubic. For the cube, I do 6 times 6 times 6, and for the cuboid, I do 12 times 2 times 6. Then, after we get that, we're going to add cube with cuboid, which is going to be 216 plus 144, which gives us the equal of 360 centimeter cubic. So, this is the 3D sketch for my container. This will be the final. Now for the second container, I'm going to be using cuboid and cylinder. So the volume of the cuboid will be 8 times 5 times 7, which give me the answer of 280 centimeter cubic. And for the cylinder, I'm going to be using 2 times 2 times 7 times 22 over 7 for the pi, which will give me 88 centimeter cubic. So now we got to add cuboid with cylinder, which is 280 plus 88, which gives us the answer of 368 centimeter cubic. Well, yes, it is more than 360, but the difference is 8 and so fit 12 chocolate bar. So the answer will be this. This is my 3D sketch for my second container. This will be the cylinder, and this will be the cuboid. So now let's count the surface area. So for the first container, we're going to start with cube, which is side times 6 for the formula, which will be 2 times 2 times 6, which gives us the answer of 20 centimeters square. Now, for the cuboid, we will have to do 2 times length times width, 2 plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times height times width, which gives me 48 plus 144 plus 24, which the surface area is 216. Now, to find the total will be 216 plus 24, which will give us 244 centimeter square. This is the total. Now for the second container, it will be cuboid, which will be same formula, 2 times length times width, 2 times length times height, 2 times length times height times width, which will give us 80 plus 112 plus 70, which will be 262 centimeter cubic. Now for the cylinder, we need to multiply 2 pi radius each plus 2 pi times, don't forget the times, pi radius in the power of 2. So it will give us 2 times 22 over 7 times 2 times 7 plus 2 times 3.14 for the pi times 2 to the power of 2, which is going to be 88 plus 25.12, which gives us the answer 113.12 centimeter square. If we combine them, we will get 375.12 centimeter square.
Okay guys, so this is my composite figure net and I'm gonna cut them. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make this to a composite figure. Okay guys, so you have come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you can learn something from this video, and if you have a word problem or case study like mine, this can help you do it. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends and family or someone who had this kind of project. If you want to follow my social media, it's all linked down below. Hey guys, bye.